guys, my name is Anthony and this is Crypto for You, to talk about what's going on with the Bitcoin chart, get a little update. So today, Bitcoin is actually doing something really massive. I'm going to talk to you about where we could be going, what we're doing right now. We're breaking out of this triangle, where we could go, and this is today's a jam-packed video. Also, some of you may be asking why I'm actually doing a recording and not a live stream. I will tell you that in the video. So let's get into the video. So guys, you can see that we are breaking out of this triangle, and since we are breaking out of this triangle, we can actually be going, like, let's just say this is a bull flag. Yeah, this is a bull flag. You can take it like that. You can drag it up to here. And so this would mean that we could break out to 14,800, which is a really important level. And why is it an important level? Well, if you look at this level right here, this is from 13,900 to 13,500, 13,200. From 13,900 to 13,200. So the $13,000 there, practically about $800. That box, there's a box from here to here, is a big resistance. And if we break this resistance, which by the way, if we go on the monthly time frame, we never had a candle above it. So if we confirm support above $14,000, then that's gonna be like the biggest, like the first candle. Here we had two candles. Here we didn't even get above. So the only thing we had is, not candles, wicks. Here we have two wicks, and here we have no wicks. And so the only thing above $14,000 were two wicks in the monthly time frame. So if we break above this confirmed support, we might have a first candle. And where we are right now at $30,100. So wow, actually we went up so fast. But what I think we could be doing, so you could see that we're doing a bull flag, which could take us to 14,700, about $15,000. A lot of things actually point that we're gonna go to $15,000. There's a 5-wave move. We go to one, then we went down to here, then we go to here. And this could be like, there's a chance that we could go to 12,100, and then if that happens, then we could after that go really high, because you know that I usually say that we're supposed to go like 10% higher than like the last high, and 10% higher than the last high is right here. But I don't even think that this is the high. I think we could be going like to here, $14,000. We could test $14,000. That would mean that we could we could take this Fibonacci retracement level, and we could take it and see where the 0.618 level, the golden pocket, and that's $12,300. And of course, 10% above this is $15,000, 300, and so we could be going to $15,300. So what I think we could be doing is go wave 1 right here, that this was wave 2, that we could do wave 3 right here, this could be wave 4, and we could fall back down to 12,300, and then this could be wave 5. And so this would actually be better, and so because it would actually take us in the long term really high. But of course, I would make us a break through this. By the way, we are on $30,100, right? If we go to the monthly time frame, check on the VPVR level and everything, you could see that if we turn on the VPVR, there's practically no, if I zoom in, there's practically no, I don't know if you guys see it, but there's practically no, there's nothing there on the VPVR. Thin air, I call it thin air because there's practically nothing there. There's only wicks, which make it a little tiny bit. And so we could be actually going high, and because since we broke 12,400, 12,500, that level, since we broke that, we could be going up. And since we're actually breaking this, we are having this is like uncharted data. We don't know where we're gonna go really, because this is like new mapping for us. We only went there once, and that was like 3 years ago, and it's not that we don't know that much about it. We just came there and went. We didn't even stay there for that long. We just stayed there for like practically a month. Not even a month, I don't know. But you can see that this is right now actually $30,000. That's way higher than 12,400. And so that would mean that we could be actually on the verge of going to $20,000. And so guys, also we're breaking this triangle right here. And this could mean that we could actually take this line, and this would take us to $25,000 in the long term. Wow, that's a lot. And so we could be on the verge of going to $25,000 in the long term. So this 5-wave move, the small 5-wave move that's here, actually could be taking us to, like, let's just say this is a wave 1, then we could have like a wave 2, then we could have a wave 3, and then we could have a wave 4, and then we could have a wave 5 at the end. And that would take us to $25,000. So, $25,000 from where we are right now. How much percent is that? That would be 100% to go to $25,000. Wow. But of course, we could like take, let's just say, the 5-wave move, and then we need to have the Fibonacci retracement level of the 5-wave move. And so that would take us to here. But of course, we have to look at the smaller time frame. And so in the smaller time frame, I think we could be going to $14,000 first. And the stochastic RSI is actually saying that we could be going there. It is saying that we're in blue on top right now, and the RSI I think could hold up a little bit more in the sell zone. After that, we could fall, and we could go. Let's just say, how much is this? We're on right now 30,100. And I think we could tap the top of this. This is not straight 14,000, like I said. This is like 13,800, 13,900. That's a 5% gain. And after that, I think the stochastic RSI and the RSI will actually fall down. Bitcoin will fall with it. And we're going to go to here, which is 12,300. And this would be a crash, if you look, a crash of 11 or 12%. And that would take us to here. But after that, of course, 10% will take us to $15,200 at least. So this is where I think we could go. We could go to 30,900, then crash from here to here. So we could go up 5%, then crash down 13% to 12,200, and then go back up. How much is this? We could go back up to $15,000, 225% after that. So if you sell at $14,000 and then buy back at 12,300, that means you would get a 25% gain after that. So that's what I think could happen. And also, guys, you can see that if we break to here, we're going to be actually making a new high, and that would make the start of a bull market. We're right now, I would say this is the start of a new bull market. We could be going up really high. And if we break $14,000, it's going to be a higher high in the long term, because you know that we were always doing lower lows. And now if we go to here, we're going to be doing higher highs. That's going to be really great. Also, if you guys can kind of see, I can kind of see that there is a, how's it called? A inverse head and shoulder. There was an inverse head and shoulders. And if we just delete everything, and you can see that this, if you delete everything that happened right here, and you can see that, let's just say this could be like a small shoulder right here, then we could have another shoulder right here, and then we have a head. And this would mean that since we broke out right here, we could take the line like that, and we can take it out like that. That'll take us to $16,700, higher than $15,000, but still about that target. So this could mean that we could be going to $15,000. It's all the way on top of here. $15,000 is where I think we could go. So go up 5%, then crash down 13% to actually make the fourth wave. But of course, that's not going to be the bear market. Just going to be a reversal, small reversal. Take a little breather. And then after that, 25% to $15,000. But of course, it's going to be a big resistance. But this could be the start of a bull market. Wait. Somebody actually reported one of my live streams, and now I can't live anymore. And so for now, that's why I'm actually not doing live streams anymore. I will be doing recorded videos by the looks of it now, but still, it's okay because I try to make my recording videos as fast as I possibly can. So guys, this is gonna be my recording video. Thanks for watching. Bitcoin could be going really high, and thanks for watching. I see you guys next video. Bye!